Bungee jumping was invented in New Zealand, and since we always try to experience local culture wherever we travel, we couldn't visit without at least considering taking the leap ourselves.
Away we go! No! Oh! Oh my God! Oh!
We flew to New Zealand with our friends Tom and Cait of Morton's on the Move, who are also our co-hosts on the TV show The RVers. We arrived in Auckland over a year ago, before COVID hit. We were there filming for season 3 of The RVers, and of course, to experience this incredible bucket list destination firsthand. We picked up our RVs at Wilderness Motorhome Rentals to head out on a 5-week adventure all around this gorgeous country. Right now, New Zealand is coming back into our consciousness from several different angles. You might recall that a few years ago we joined our friends Nikki and Jason Wynn to help sail their catamaran through the Panama Canal. Our original plans for New Zealand were to connect with them again to go RVing together, but the pandemic delayed their arrival for over a year. Well, just a few days ago, Nikki and Jason finally sailed into Auckland, where they're ready to start their own adventure there. Also on the New Zealand front is Tom and Cait's upcoming video series about our trip together. That will be released on their YouTube channel soon, so if you're not already subscribed to Morton's on the Move, be sure to get right over there and do that, and turn on notifications since you'll want to see their upcoming videos and us in them. The last New Zealand-related topic that's on our radar right now is the Discovery Channel Season 3 finale of The RVers, which airs on Saturday morning, June 19th, 2021. That episode includes the footage we shot during our trip to New Zealand. We'll also include links below for other ways you can watch, including PBS, iTunes, Discovery Go, and more. Kiwis obviously like thrills, and we experienced some heart-pumping activities there, like whitewater rafting over the highest commercially rafted waterfall in the world. But nothing was quite as intimidating as bungee jumping. After all, the Taupo bungee tower is suspended more than 150 feet up over a river gorge, so the prospect of leaping off was pretty daunting. I must have been worried about losing my nerve, because I jumped right off that tower like it was on fire. John, on the other hand, had a little trouble. Did he make the jump, or did he take the walk of shame? Let's find out how we both did right now.
It's official.
Let's do this.
Back.
What are you about to do?
Well, we're not sure. The intent is we're going to dive off the tower.
Successfully bungee off a tower.
It looks a long way down, so when we get out there, it may not happen.
It seems like a smart thing to do standing here, but I'm not so sure when I get out on that platform and I actually have to tip off the edge that I'm going to feel the same way.
It doesn't look like a smart thing to do standing here. It looks like a stupid thing to do.
All right.
So
I'm trying to bolster my confidence. You're not helping.
Enjoy the ride.
Okay.
Rock and roll.
All right. It's lucky I can't see.
What's that?
I say it's
lucky you can't.
Okay, we ready?
So over your right shoulder for the camera.
Right around the fly. That's all there we go. Awesome.
Is this running? Yeah, it's running. Holy crap!
There we go. Hands off the side.
And
Dive
jump.
out.
Away we go.
No! Oh my God! Oh, man! Woo!
That was intense. Hello.
Let go. All good?
Thank you.
No worries.
Wow, that was intense.
Pretty good feeling, eh?
It is awesome. That was awesome.
Right, so we'll drop you off here.
Yep.
Once you may jump in there, and when you're ready, just follow the track to the right.
Great, I'll wait down here for him. I assume he won't be long.
No, you won't.
Okay, thank you very much.
No worries.
Let's see if I can walk now. Oh my God, that was so cool. John is next.
Don't drag the cord, just enjoy the ride.
Just enjoy. All right.
Do it.
See if I can remember all that. I feel like a prisoner.
And you know that already? Recording? Over your shoulder, up the camera. Up high. Beautiful. We're filming on your camera?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
I think so. Yes, it says it is.
Brilliant.
Oh
All right.
my God, I can't believe I'm doing this.
Time to fly. So hands up. Going for it. 3, 2, 1. Nearly there.
Don't hesitate, don't wait, don't wait.
I don't know if I can do this. Oh my God.
Eyes straight. Okay, no more looking down. Keep them focused straight into the online. We're just falling forward. 3, 2, 1. Oh! You can do it.
I can't do this. Oh my God.
Turn you a bit hard day where it's going to fall face first onto your feet.
I can't believe this.
Just a lot higher up. You can do it,
I
man.
don't know if I could do it.
You're going to feel so much better once you leave the platform. Alright? So
Can I
eyes up.
just jump?
Yeah, you can.
What's
No
the difference?
It's just comfortable. If you go head first, it's nice and smooth. If you just jump, go feet first, get that little flip at the bottom.
Oh.
It doesn't hurt, it's just not comfortable.
I don't think I can do this.
You can.
I
man.
can't.
So eyes up.
Does that help?
Yeah. If you look down, you're less likely to jump. Okay? So eyes straight ahead towards the cliff. You hear the countdown, just put your brain off for 2 seconds. Start going, and then everything's good. Alright? As long as you're standing here, you're always going to be scared. Once you're
I
on the
know.
edge,
I know.
Go, 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 don't wait, don't wait.
All right.
you can do it. Here we go. Deep breath, focusing straight, falling off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, he did it. Woohoo!
Woo! Got it.
Oh my God.
so proud of him. He did it. He did it.
You did it!
I wasn't 100% sure.
I wasn't sure either.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, you too.
All right, well, how was it?
Oh my God. I was standing on that edge and he said 3, 2, 1, jump.
I'm so glad you did it. I was worried you were going to chicken out.
I was worried I was going to chicken out. I was up there and I'm like, oh my God, I don't think I can do this. And he's like, you can do it. Don't look, don't look.
Did you hear me screaming?
I did.
I was trying to get you to come down. I didn't want you to have to walk the walk of shame.
Oh my God, I'm glad I did it.
Oh, I'm so glad you did too. All right, let's get back up the trail. Now we have the hard part. We have to walk up the trail.
I know. There's no elevator.
I know. You'd think they'd reward us with an elevator.
Well, can't they just reel us back up to the top?
I can't see. I don't have my glasses
Here,
on.
I'll lead the way.
So New Zealand is known for some pretty extreme sports here. They invented bungee jumping, which is where we are at today. Our friends John and Peter just did the leap, and wow, we've done some pretty adventurous things in our lives. This is not on the list. We did not want to do this. We aren't going to do this, but we were very happy to watch our friends do it.
So we survived the bungee jump, and now we think we're gonna die on the trail.
It's steep.
It's very steep going up here.
That's the problem jumping off a cliff. It's a long way back up.
Oh man. We'll see you at the top.
Well, hey, look.
Looks pretty good. I was gonna ask you guys, how was it?
Well,
That's pretty wild.
so other than the actual difficulty of forcing yourself to jump off a perfectly good platform,
That was John. I didn't have that problem.
the hardest part's walking back up.
We've been talking the whole time on the way back up that we think we're gonna die on the trail on the way back up.
Exactly. The bungee jump part was easy compared to the hike.
Well, and you didn't have your glasses. You left those with me.
No, exactly.
I will tell you what actually made it easier. I didn't have my glasses. I looked out from the tower and it was just a blur. If I had my glasses on, it might have been harder, honestly,
Possible.
because I couldn't see what I was stepping into and I couldn't see how far down it was. So
Well,
I think that helped.
congratulations, guys.
yeah. So
Thank
what
you.
we're gonna do? So that
You're
was
next.
that was the rehearsal. That was the rehearsal. We're gonna turn the cameras around, and you guys are next. And if you take your glasses off, you can't see, and it's
No,
just like
exactly.
stepping around the bedroom. No.
No?
Not happening. All right.
We already did on camera 2 seconds. We're not doing that.
All right.
It's over.
Yeah, but you don't have to use
you-
that
yeah,
footage. Haven't you
exactly.
ever heard of the cutting room floor?
Oh, God.
So I may go again.
Cheaper the second
It's
time.
like really cheap.
Really?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
might as well.
That was the rehearsal. Probably going to go again.
So much sympathy for him right now.
Uh-huh. Hey, he signed up for it.
Diving into a whirlpool.
He's laughing.